All right. So Bitcoin uh, tepidly broke an all-time high, uh, very briefly breaching 124K before immediately dropping back below 120K. Currently, we're at 118 and a bit. So I don't know. I feel like, what's your gut check on this, David? It feels a bit like a bearish all-time high here.
Yeah,
Bitcoin
I don't know.
Bitcoin dominance dropping off below 60 for the first time since the start of the year.
I don't
Got the
know.
ETH ratio back up,
I
retracing all
I
of
don't
its
think.
losses for the year. Yeah,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Sorry.
You
I
don't
don't
think
think
what?
that that Bitcoin going down here, or Bitcoin dominance going down, is bearish for the market. It's probably not even bearish for Bitcoin, to be honest. It just means that there's some rotations going on, and so some of that liquidity that would be, or it has in the past been going into Bitcoin, is now flowing into other areas. And we'll get into where it's flowing, but that would be my read on it. And this is both on the crypto native side and the traditional finance equity side, and that's how I see it. Also, Bitcoin going down, it seems like the classic thing we've seen in the past couple of weeks. It's a knee jerk reaction to um, what's it called, economic data or macro related stuff coming out. And usually, what's happened for the past whatever 6 months is knee jerk reaction, and then it quickly goes back up, and that's how I read it. How about you?
Okay. Yeah. So you're going to be buying the dip here, or are you already fully allocated? Did you take some off the table at the top there?
Well, for Bitcoin, no, I haven't touched
No.
anything for Bitcoin, or any of the like the majors that I'm holding. I haven't really touched anything. Um, However, yeah. This kind of ties to a question I wanted to ask you last week, and I just forgot to. Did you did you buy any pump? Because we were talking about it like a month ago, I think, about how
I did. I did
when is it a
not.
good time
Yeah,
to buy?
I was looking at it. What's going on with Pump? I haven't looked at it for a week or
Well,
so.
remember the last thing I remember you saying, I think at the end of one of our episodes, is that
Yeah,
you
look
weren't
for a
going to try to
bottom.
like catch the falling knife. You were going to try to look for when it formed a bottom and was kind of
Yeah. Oh,
basing
it does
to
seem to
move
have
up.
done that.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I did buy. Um, I
Oh,
bought
nice.
I bought not when I should have, but I bought some, and it's since it's dipped down again, I'll probably
Might
buy a little more.
might be a time to get a little pump.
I really
Um.
do think though there's too much money involved. There's too many like
Yeah.
big holders and whatnot that this. I will be very surprised if this doesn't have a an engineered run at the very least. You know.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, I mean, you posted something earlier in the week about Link. So on the narrative that tokens that generate revenue are the anointed ones, and Link apparently generates some revenue, but upon looking into it, it's actually just peanuts, the revenue that Link generates.
Yeah,
Is that
exactly.
basically the story?
Uh, I think it seems like I think Chainlink is trying to jump on this bandwagon, the revenue narrative bandwagon, and so they've announced, was it 2 days ago maybe or yesterday, that they're gonna start buying back Link. I guess they're gonna use revenue to support Link, and some of the accounts that I followed kind of did the equivalent of roll their eyes about this because the revenue is piddly. I think it's like
Yeah.
150 million or something like that. I mean, just like chump change for this kind of thing. Um, Nevertheless, Link pumped on this. Those Link Marines are they're uh, they're desperate for some news to pump on, right? And so it pumped on it. Has it retraced already though? I wonder. The pump, the premature pump. Let me take a look. Yeah, no. I mean, it's retraced a little bit, but not much. So, yeah, it's yeah.
All
It's
right.
getting some
Well,
love.
let's talk about ETH for a few minutes here. So it's Ethereum's time to shine. Something happened with SBET, $400 million deal. We got the biggest ETF inflow day ever for Ethereum, over like what was it, 725 million in one day.